Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today we'll learn how to create a Fredbear Mask. A subscriber asked me to make this mask and I really liked the idea. To create it we are going to download and print the templates on paper or paper cardboard. You have the templates link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose the mask size and also know how to cut the pieces and fold them. We are going to be using brown, black, white, and a little silver-colored cardboard for some details. Here we have our pieces ready to create. The pieces on the first template page are black. The second page is white and all the others are brown. The pieces with numbers 7 and 12 are the only ones in silver color. We will start using the pieces with these numbers. First, we will join the flaps that each one has, and then join them to create Freddy's hat. Pieces 3 and 4 will form the right part of the mask. We will put them together and then join them with the hat. With these 3 pieces, we will form the right ear, so we will put glue and give the pieces that rounded shape. We will assemble them to form a single one and add it to the mask. Pieces 8 and 9 are very similar to a couple of previous pieces. We'll join these 2 parts together and add them this time on the left side of the mask. Now with these other 3 pieces, we will make the other ear that we need. We will try to glue them little by little to have a perfect mask. Next we will use pieces 13, 14, and 15 that will form the eyes of the mask. We will simply join pieces 14 and 15 and then join them with piece 13. And once ready we add it to the design. Now we will start creating Freddy's trunk. Pieces 17 and 18 will form the nose, so we will put them together and glue it with piece 16. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you like how the mask is turning out. These 4 pieces will finish forming this part. We will glue pieces 19 and 20 to piece 21. And then piece 21 with piece 22. We will glue this part that we have just formed to the mask. Now we only need the bare jaw and a couple of details. In these 2 pieces, we will glue the teeth. To form the teeth, we will put glue and we will join the flaps forming 2 teeth with each piece. Practically all the teeth of the mask will be created in the same way. Pieces 26 and 27 go together. And once we have them ready, we will add them with both previous pieces. Pieces 29, 30, and 31 will help us finish the job. We will put these 3 pieces together to form it and also add the part of the teeth that we previously created. Tell me what you think of this mask and what other design you want me to do. These two small pieces are the eyebrows, so we will glue piece 32 on the right and piece 33 on the left. This is totally optional. Here I have 2 squares of black semi-transparent fabric. We will put glue around both eyes and cover them with the fabric. With a black marker, we will detail the freckles. We will make one in each of these corners and the third just below them. We will draw them on both sides. To use the mask, we will need 2 strips of approximately 30 centimeters. We will make 2 holes on both sides of the mask with the tip of the scissors, and when finished, we will add a strip on each side. We will also tie a knot on both to secure. And now we have our Freddy mask ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft. Thank you very much for watching the video.